Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you today's design. It'll be a little bit different, and I kind of like these where I start off with my nails completely undone and just having my base on so that I can talk to you guys for a little bit longer. I think it's a little bit fun, but let me know in the comments down below if you like this or not. Anyways, so today we're gonna do like a rain umbrella design type of thing. And because it's April and I feel like April showers bring May flowers, and as you can see I kind of made a mess with my base over here and I did not see that until I had it under the lights. Anyways, okay, so here is what I'm using for today's design. We are going to be using the Uber Chic Yay Spring Plate, and I'm going to be using this umbrella one right here, and we're going to be reverse stamping this. I'm super excited. Because we're going to be using this tropical dusk color from Queen. It's like a gray leaning a little bit purple stamping polish, and I'm actually starting to really love this polish to stamp with. I think it's a good in between if you don't want white and you don't want black as your outline for reverse stamping. So that is what I'm using. And then to fill in the umbrellas, I'm using this bright purple and this bright pink color. I just think that they are super fun to stamp with, and I like to reverse stamp with stamping polishes because they dry a little bit faster. I'll also be using a black stamping polish for my reverse stamping as well. And then I will be using some foil glue, and then my top coat today, I think I'm going to be using this Dream Polish top coat. Okay, so to get started, you're going to want to lay down your base. Oh, and my base is China Glaze's Pearl Jam, and this came out, I think, in their fall collection last year or 2 years ago. I think it was last year, so you probably can't get this anymore, but it is just a blue polish with a very bright gold shimmer throughout it. And then I'll also be using Holla at Your Girl. It's Hollow at Your Girl, and this is just a fun glittery topper that I'll be putting on top of this. But first lay down your base, and then once your base is done, or while your base is drying, you're going to want to do your stamping. Actually, you know what I'm going to do before I put on my base, before I start doing my stampers, I'm actually going to, this has had time to dry a little bit, I'm actually going to put on this glitter topper over top of these so it has time to dry before I need to put the foil glue down. So there's that, and I like this glitter topper that I'm using because it's blue and gold, and it kind of just reminds me of like the rain, so that's why I'm using it. And who knows, putting this glitter on might make my design too busy and I'll regret it, but for now we're gonna just be okay with it. Okay, so now I'm going to do my stamping while this dries on this hand. And I do have 2 stampers here at the ready, but I'm grabbing a few more just so I can stamp them all. So I have all my stampers at the ready so that I can just kind of do all of the stamping right now. But I think I will only show you guys one stamping of them, and I'll edit out all the rest. And there's another set. Okay, so now that my stamping is complete, I'm actually going to let those dry just a little bit more before I reverse stamp them. And I am just gonna bring my hand back and cover this with foil glue. For those of you who don't know or are new, foil glue is what I use for all my reverse stamping because it just, makes the design stick, and you don't have to worry about it drying like you do a top coat or drying too much. This is just something that I love to use instead of top coat, and it's actually made me like to reverse stamp. I didn't like to reverse stamp or have a care or desire to reverse stamp until I did this trick. So I'm going to do this one for you guys first. I love this one because it lets the light go up the stand. It's a taller one, and so it's not dark. See, like these ones, like the one next to it, he's pretty dark, and so is this one. So I just like having this tall guy for you guys. And okay, so what we are going to do, I'm gonna do the we're doing one set of umbrellas pink and one set of umbrellas purple, and then 2 sets of umbrellas, so 2 stamps, are going to be black. So I think I want to show you guys the pink one in this bright color here for you guys. Let me just, and as usual, I do all my work on an Uber mat, so I don't ever have to worry about my mat, about my place that I film at getting dirty and ruined. And this is just a tiny, tiny detail brush from Twinkle Tea. And I'm just gonna dot the polish onto there. And I will probably speed this up so you guys aren't sitting here for 30 minutes watching me reverse stamp the pink umbrellas. Okay, so there are your pink umbrellas. So now I need to use this exact same tool. I'm gonna move this off to the side and let it dry. And when I reverse stamp too, I just wanna tell you guys this real quick. I do not put a layer of top coat on top of this. When I use foil glue, I can just use it like that. So I'm gonna let the pink part dry though, because if I were to just try and transfer it right now, those pink umbrellas could squish out and go outside of the line. So I am gonna let it dry down a little bit and then we'll put it on my finger. Okay, and here are the purple umbrellas. Okay, and here is what the black umbrellas look like. Okay, so as you can see, the foil glue is completely dry. You can't even tell that it's on my nails right now. And I started with the pink umbrellas, so I'm gonna start with them now because I know that they are most likely dry after me reverse stamping the other ones. And the pink umbrellas are going to be going on my middle finger, and I just want to try and get as many of them on there as I can. I think if I go like this, I can fit quite a few more on there. So we're gonna have those ones be up in the corner. So there's those, and this design where I have the little swirls and stuff, I'm actually going to add a few more pink umbrellas on there. So I'm gonna put one here, and that's the other thing I love about foil glue, where it's sticky underneath there. These are going to fit however I want them to. And then we want one to kind of come out right here, and one more just down right there. Okay, so see how I added a few more umbrellas on there? And where I put that glittery coat underneath, you can't tell that I kind of essentially overlap the design in a few places. Okay, so now we're gonna do the purple one, and this one I think that's, okay. So see, that's kind of how I wanted the pink one to turn out first. So there's the purple, and I like that one, so I'm not even gonna add any more to it. And like I said, the great thing about this reverse stamp is I didn't need to add any liquid latex because it's so dry on the stamper that it's not gonna transfer onto my finger. And then let's go ahead and do our pointer finger. And these ones are a little bit more opaque. There are those, and then all I'm gonna do is take my cleanup brush, dipped in some acetone, because there are some places that are hanging off, and I'm just gonna lightly go over them. And I like to tap the tip of my nail when I reverse stamp too, just because it kind of melts that edge onto the tip of your nail, and it makes your stamp, when you reverse stamp, just stay a little bit better, I feel like. And I actually want to go over this with a matte top coat now that I see it all done, and I think it'll just make it look a lot better. So here is the finished design. I really think my favorite umbrellas are the purple ones, which I'm shocked because I thought it was going to be the pink ones for sure. But just because pink's my favorite color. But purple's my favorite in this design. Let me know down below which color of umbrella is your favorite. And let me know if you think I should have left the glitter topper off. I'm thinking I should have left the glitter topper off so you could have seen more of the umbrella design underneath it. But, oh well guys, you live and you learn. Anyways, be sure to follow me on all my social media sites, especially if you're new here. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. And I have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I leave those all linked down below for you to make your life a little bit easier. And as always, guys, be polished, wear polished, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye!